Hi guys, I'm TheCubeSolver. Welcome to my Parity tutorials. I'm sure that you came here because you are struggling with this flipped edge piece. You definitely have an edge parity. That happens when a cube requires edge pairing like in 4x4, here in 5x5, and in 6x6, and other cubes. Face the flipped edges. The algorithm is quite long, but I'll guide you later to find clues on every step. Right up 180 degrees, face the bottom side. Right up 180 degrees, right up 180 degrees, right prime up 180 degrees, left up 180 degrees, this right side up 180 degrees, right up 180 degrees, right prime up 180 degrees, and right prime. Now I'll repeat the process and I'll focus on the technique to easily distinguish the next steps. Here's the technique. In every turn of this right side or the left side, there's always a subsequent move on the top side, which is 180 degrees. Okay, let's start. Bring this right side up, and of course, top side 180 degrees. And now face the bottom side. This will be now the front side. Then right side up, and the top side 180 degrees. Do that again. Now bring this right side down, and the top side again 180 degrees. Bring this left side down, and the top side again 180 degrees. Now when you see that the center here, which is green, this is at the front, will be completed by the 6 center pieces at the top. Bring that down, and the top side of course 180 degrees. Bring this right side up again, and the top side 180 degrees. Now bring this white center pieces down. In every case, there will always be white in here. Then the top side of course 180 degrees. And lastly, bring this right side down. That's it. We already have the cross. You may now continue with the next processes like in the 3x3. We're done. If you managed to solve it, leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.